So guys, we're going to take a look at a camper, okay? Okay guys, here's the camper. It's a Sunliner. Already checked. Nobody's living in here that I know of. Trying to maybe see something inside there. It looks like somebody really tried to get this up here. I see track marks. It's got dual propane cylinders. It's got a big front window. I kind of like this trailer. You can kind of see back here. Let's take a look. Anybody in here? Just want to take a quick look. It does really stink in here really bad. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just do a quick pan. Oh, there's ice in there. Is that ice? No. That's got to be baking soda, guys. Let's do a quick pan. There's the window, guys. Oh, cool electrical panel. This is actually pretty cool. I could dig, I could dig something like this. Got something down here. Power converter. Got some fuses here. Wow. You got an upper part here that can extend out a little further. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's really neat. That's really cool. I don't know. Something under there? No. Now I'm just going to pan around, guys. Do a quick pan. Here's the door. This looks like this is a lower bed as well, maybe. Kitchen table kind of thing. Let's take a look underneath. Yeah, it looks like a table. Oops. It looks like a table, and like this is where you would eat. Maybe some benches were there. I'm not going to be opening too much, guys. So here's the kitchen sink. Paper towel holders. Looks like there was some kind of radio or something here. It's got a stove. I hit my head, so I got a duck. There's a Wedgwood oven. It's really kind of small. That's pretty cool, though. That is pretty neat. You got your storage units up above, which is really cool. You got some drawers and stuff under here. So that's really pretty neat. Oh wow, guys, it looks like you got plenty of room to sleep in here. You got bunk beds and stuff, all kinds of stuff. Look at this. Wow, that's pretty cool. The windows. Little side closet doesn't open. Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. Let it air out a little bit. Obviously, it might be. I don't know. Just looking, guys. Sunshine Company. Just looking, that's all. Nice little storage cabinet. I wonder what was under here. Maybe water storage or something. Piece of paneling that might have fell at one time. Couple USB cords, USB to USB or something. It's pretty cool. Got a nice window here for the bedroom area. You got your nice storage units up here with a side window as well, so you could take this down, you know, put some things in here. You could even put some things on here, some tie downs or whatever, wherever you want to sleep. You know, looks like this was actually a couch was put in here in place. Oh, that's something else. Got storage underneath as well. I don't think it opens. So guys, in this area, you're gonna probably have your toilet and stuff like that. Everything's really tight. Obviously your heater access. This is really kind of nice. You got air conditioner. Let's see if it works. No, obviously no back. Okay, you got your sink, your toilet, and probably shower over in that area. So wow, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. Thermostat, probably with the propane. Anything in the fridge, guys? Some more baking soda. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. What was that? I just heard something. Freaking kidding me? You know, I gotta watch. I'm hitting my head on the top, guys, so I gotta watch. So anyway guys, there's a little switch right here. What's that for? I don't know. Off and on. Alright, let's get out of here. Not bad, guys. I really like this. It's got some wheels on it. It's a Sunliner. And you got the little thing that comes out. I don't know if it works, but this would extend out. You have a little canopy here. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, are we getting on that? Anyway, guys, you got a Coleman air conditioner up on top. It looks really dirty on the top. Maybe I'll get a quick view of that. Okay, you got some outside storage here. Looks like it goes inside, right underneath. Of course, you'd want to put a lock there. Take a look up here, guys. Okay, kind of dirty, and looks like that's your furnace area right here. Not sure what that is, but this looks like furnace. Yeah, it is for the propane. Pretty cool. Here's your cable wire down in here. So guys, I'll do a little investigating. I'll see how, if they're selling it, how much they want for it. It's even got a little lockbox here. Probably goes under the counter on the inside here. Pretty nice. Got little windows everywhere. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.